In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some sandpaper discs using only a pair of dividers and sandpaper. Right, no scissors involved, just a quick and easy way of making your own sandpaper discs, right, and saving you a bit of money. I'm the Chunky Jeweler and welcome to today's video. And today's video is the first of hopefully many of Chunky's top tips for jewelers. So we're looking at making sandpaper discs, right? All you're going to need is plywood, small piece, dividers, and obviously your preferred sandpaper. So let's get into it. Firstly, you're going to need a pair of dividers. Now I've sharpened these tips and I've hardened them, so they've been through a lot. Right, I've had this pair of dividers for going on 28 years because I bought these when I was an apprentice. They're quite a bit shorter than what they used to be, but I've hardened the tips and hardened the tips, so in an upcoming video I'll still show you how to do that. But in today's video we are looking at making sandpaper discs in any size that you want, in any grit that you want. Now I've got this, let me get this out of the way, that was just for visual effect. So today I am using the no-fill Adelux B-WT made by Norton, 800 grit. Now I prefer this sandpaper because it lasts forever. Right, if you can get your hands on this type of sandpaper, go for it. I can vouch by it. And even if you use it for paper sticks, buff sticks, it's really awesome. It lasts forever and it doesn't clog up, so that's a nice thing about it. So you can use it until it's done, like proper done. But let's get into the video. So we'll start. I've got this piece of plywood here. It's got perspex on the one side. In the past I've used it for display purposes. I can't really remember what I use it for. And it's got a paper backing, but it works beautifully for this type of thing. And you'd want something like this, thin piece of wood, plywood, press wood, any wood basically, that you don't mind destroying and marking, essentially. So what you're going to do, you take your dividers, you set them in your desired size and press firmly into the sandpaper, and then you're going to go to mark it out. And if your dividers are nice and sharp, you get a clean cut. How pretty is that? No scissors required. Ain't that lovely? And then you can go on, and if you need a smaller disc, just press it firm so it doesn't do that. Once again, different size. You can even go smaller still. You don't want to waste any sandpaper. Firm grip. Oh, make sure it doesn't slip out. Okay, start off nice. Make sure there's a nice pilot hole. Turn, turn, turn. The smaller ones tend to be a bit more tricky, but still much easier than using a pair of scissors. And you can go ahead and do that with any sandpaper. So this is a 360 grit, also by Norton, waterproof paper. I occasionally used to use this sandpaper, but I thought I'll just show you it's still possible. Like I said, the smaller ones are a little bit trickier, but still easier than using a pair of scissors. So there we go. Nice, round, crisp sandpaper discs in the grit that you want. So hopefully this tip saves you a bit of money. You don't have to go out and buying bags and bags of sandpaper discs. Please like and subscribe to this channel for future tips and tricks for jewelers and anyone out there that's wanting to watch this. Thank you. And if you have any other questions, queries, tips you'd like me to share, please drop me a note in the comments and I'll happily oblige. So until next time, look after yourselves and your jewelry and your tools, and we'll see you soon. Chunky Jeweler out.